Can I boot up the S26 Ultra and the Pixel 10 Pro XL faster than you can blink? Let us find out right now. We are putting two top-tier flagships head-to-head. Both promise incredible performance, but today we are testing one specific metric. Which phone boots up faster? Boot speed matters. Whether you are in a rush or restarting after an update, every second counts. It is a true test of hardware efficiency and software optimization. We are not just looking at specs on paper. We are testing real-world responsiveness. How quickly can these powerful processors and RAM configurations get you to your home screen? Side by side, we start the timer. The S26 Ultra and Pixel 10 Pro XL are powering on simultaneously. Watch closely as the screens light up and the systems initialize. The anticipation is building. One phone is pulling ahead as the home screens load. It is a close call, but we have a clear winner in this race. The S26 Ultra crossed the finish line first. While boot speed is just one metric, it highlights how these devices handle their internal processes and software tuning. Which phone do you prefer? And were you surprised by the results? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more head-to-head comparisons.